How to sign up Bank of America. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this video. For this, launch a preferred browser and search for Bank of America. You can directly search for www.bankofamerica.com for a direct visit to the main website. Select on Bank of America, banking, credit cards, loans, and more. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of your Bank of America. Now to sign in into your account, it is pretty simple. At the top, you will see a login dialog box that says enter your user ID and password. Enter your user ID and the designated password of it. If you are on your personal device, tap on Save User ID. Then tap on Login. Select on Forgot ID or password in the case of any forgotten credential of your Bank of America account. When you tap on it, you'll be redirected to a new page. In this page, to recover your account, firstly enter your account number, the last 6 digits. Then enter your social security number or your tax ID number, then tap on Continue. Once you are verified, you'll be able to recover your Bank of America. Which sums up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.